Hi guys, welcome to Truffle Kitchen, and today we're going to make double chocolate cookies. In fact, these are going to be the best cookies you will ever have, and they will have a secret ingredient. These are the ingredients we're going to need. They're pretty simple, but this is our secret ingredient. Let's start cooking. If you're gluten intolerant or you like to make this cookie slightly healthy, you can use gluten-free flour. We are going to need half a cup of chocolate powder, cocoa powder. And I just remembered that I did not preheat the oven, so we're going to do that right now. And that is why you need to sift everything, to get rid of things like this. Okay, so now we're going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I have some light brown sugar. This is going to give our cookies a slight caramel flavor. And we need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1 and 2. Okay, let's mix everything. And continue adding the ingredients. 1 medium egg, half a cup of butter. I like coconut oil, but you can use butter by all means. A cup. Next step is vanilla extract. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. Okay. And last but not least, soy sauce. Yes, you'll be surprised, but soy sauce gives that saltiness. I'm not going to use any salt, and the soy sauce enhances the chocolate flavor. So 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. This is going to be much better. Just fold it in. My mixture was slightly dry, so I added 2 spoons of milk and I added 2 spoons of coconut oil. Now the texture is looking good. Okay, so let's add the chocolate chips. And let's combine all ingredients one last time. Next, I lined my baking sheet with some parchment paper, and we're going to use an ice cream scoop to form equal cookies. Make sure you leave enough space between the cookies because they will spread while baking. Now we dip our fingers into some water, very lightly, and slightly flatten the cookies. And the last step before baking is to decorate our cookies with some more chocolate chips. We are going to bake these double chocolate cookies for 10 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Ten minutes have passed, so let's check on our cookies. And they are not quite ready, so maybe another 4 or 5 minutes. The cookies are ready. We'll let them cool for 15 minutes before transferring onto a wire rack. So just to sum it up, these cookies were in the oven for 15 minutes, then I left them on the baking sheet for 15 minutes more, and now they've been transferred to a wire rack for like 20 minutes to cool down completely, and here they are. Fantastic, so chocolatey chocolate. I like my cookies slightly crunchy, that's why they needed 15 minutes in the oven. But if you like a softer version, maybe 10 to 12 minutes is enough. Let's break one and see what it's like inside. I guarantee these double chocolate cookies are going to become your favorites, and all your neighbors are going to be asking for the recipe. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my channel next time.